Known and respected for our academic excellence, hands-on learning, and exceptional career preparation, the University of Pittsburgh School of Law strives to be on the cutting edge of modern legal education. Always looking forward, we've built our curriculum to be strong on fundamentals while embracing innovation to prepare students for new and emerging opportunities in the legal practice. We provide unique experiential instruction through in-house clinics, externships, mock trials, and interdisciplinary opportunities within Pitt and other universities in the city of Pittsburgh. Our renowned faculty are part of the dialogue shaping the biggest issues facing our society, both in and out of the classroom. And our passionate Pitt Law alumni play an active role at the school and with our students. You will be prepared, and we will help you chart your path for success and guide you to become an outstanding attorney and a leader in the legal profession and society. It's time to forge ahead. Reinvent yourself at the University of Pittsburgh School of Law.